Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tea new style easy guide. Start by gathering loose leaf tea, a small kettle, and a steeping vessel. Heat water to the right temperature for your leaf type, usually below boiling for delicate leaves. Measure tea by weight or spoon, aiming for balanced flavor. Steep for the recommended time, taste and adjust concentrate or water, and serve gently to preserve aroma. Warm and inviting, this segment focuses on water and heat for new style tea. Use fresh cold water and avoid distilled or heavily mineralized water to preserve flavor. Bring water to the correct temperature, 175 degrees F for green tea, 195 degrees F for oolong, and near boiling for black teas. Pour gently over leaves to avoid agitation. Let steep based on type, then taste and refine steep time or leaf quantity until it suits you. Quick recommendation: if you like simple smart home upgrades, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and voice controls. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy tea guides. I find the Echo Dot pairs nicely for mellow music while steeping, and it fits kitchens small or large. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we get into brewing and serving with a friendly tone to guide you step by step. Measure tea by weight when possible, aiming for about 2 grams per 100 ml, and adjust to taste. For high-quality leaves, plan multiple short steeps, increasing time slightly each infusion. Decant brewed tea into a serving vessel to avoid oversteeping. Serve warm, and offer small cups so guests enjoy aroma and subtle changes across infusions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.